We laid some chicken bones down here, and one crow came and took a bone quickly. And then check this out, these ants are starving too. They're looking for something yummy. Probably the salt in this food is ministering unto them. So we've got like about 3 different sites, so we might go across the... Oh wait, there's one down there. I see one down there too. There's a crow right down there on a log waiting for the good stuff too. So, oh, I see, there they are. There's another one right there. So there are at least 3 of them kind of hanging out, hoping for the good stuff. We might relocate over there and see what happens, see if we can watch them come over to this site. Okay, so we didn't have to leave that table. Oh yeah, there's one of them eating right there on the edge. Okay. Crows like chicken too. They're like, hey, we've got a feast. Oh, stay off of my chicken. They're fighting over it now. Okay, there goes one with a piece of it. We put quite a bit out of there, ladies and gentlemen. They may have taken all of it already. Okay.
Where are they going?
They're going back up into the tree. I put like, okay, there was like 3, 2, and then there was a pile of stuff. So there were 7 things kind of spaced out. I may go out in just a second and see if they will eventually have some treat with all the crumbs. We left some crumbs on the ground right over there under the... Yeah, okay, we'll go back out there later. That's cool. They've probably just about taken everything here. So let's see if they got everything. Oh yeah, they've done good. Yeah, the ants are now deprived of their meal. Yes, the ants are only left with the leftovers for sure. Yes. Okay. Everything has been dispatched already. Okay, so there's not much more. I think there may be a couple more. Well, wait a minute. There's a chicken bone. What? Y'all left this chicken bone? There's no meat on it, though. Maybe a couple more surprises down that way, too. All right, very nice. They needed us to back off the pavilion. So we left crumbs under the table, and there's one crow that is now under the table, we think. Yes, yes, it is. Yes, yes, it's time for the chicken crumbs. The best part of all.